Welcome back to the channel. 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a groundbreaking blend of Italian design, cutting-edge technology, and pure automotive passion. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. It carries the sleek, aerodynamic DNA of Ferrari's supercars but on a larger, more commanding scale. The sculpted body lines, sharp LED matrix headlights, and signature Ferrari front grille give it a striking identity. Its extended wheelbase sits on 24-inch forged alloy rims, paired with carbon ceramic brakes for precision control. Active aerodynamics ensure smooth airflow, while retractable solar panels on the roof not only enhance its eco-efficiency but also add to its futuristic appeal. The rear design includes a dynamic spoiler, quad exhaust outlets, and Ferrari's signature taillight elements, making it clear that this motorhome is a true stallion on wheels. Moving inside, the luxury only gets more intense. Step into the Ferrari Motorhome and you're greeted by an interior crafted with the finest Italian leathers, Alcantara, and carbon fiber finishes. The cabin is bathed in ambient LED lighting that adapts to mood settings, giving you both elegance and relaxation. A fully digital curved cockpit stretches across the front, powered by Ferrari's AI-driven infotainment system with real-time navigation, entertainment, and smart home integration. The motorhome features a lounge area with electronically adjustable seats that can transform into a dining setup or a full living room. A premium surround sound system by Bang & Olufsen enhances the cinematic experience, while panoramic windows flood the space with natural light. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious bedroom suite with a queen-size bed, climate control, and hidden storage. Add in a compact yet stylish kitchenette, spa-inspired bathroom, and even a retractable balcony, and you've got a rolling 5-star hotel designed for the elite. Now let's check under the hood, because Ferrari didn't forget its racing roots. Powering the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a revolutionary hybrid V12 engine paired with advanced electric motors, delivering a jaw-dropping 1,100 horsepower. This beast is capable of hitting 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, a figure unheard of in the motorhome segment. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures stability across terrains, while Ferrari's patented suspension technology guarantees comfort even at high speeds. The hybrid setup provides impressive fuel efficiency for long-distance touring, and regenerative braking adds both eco-friendly performance and extended range. Simply put, this is the first motorhome built with the soul of a supercar. And finally, let's talk about price. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is the epitome of exclusivity, with only a limited number being produced for the most discerning clients. Starting at an estimated $3.5 million, this machine is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. Customization options are nearly endless, allowing owners to tailor every detail to their personal taste, ensuring no two Ferrari motorhomes are exactly alike. So there you have it, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, where luxury living meets Ferrari's unmatched performance. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extraordinary creations of the future, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exclusive content on the world's most luxurious machines.